Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today I'm going to show you how to do this pretty easy pastel makeup look. It's kind of like a greenish blue. It looks more mint green in person, but I think it's turning up a little aqua-y on camera. But either way, it's a really pretty fun pastel look and I did really like contouring today, so this should be an easy look to follow along with if you are a beginner. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. This is going to be like a fast look because I do a lot of the same stuff I do in some of my other videos, but just a different eye. I hope you guys enjoy and thank you for tuning in. I love, love, love you. Let's get to the video. Alright, to begin, I'm going to start with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. And I am dancing a little because I'm listening to music. When I do my brows today, I'm just going to do it really quick. I'm only showing you guys portions of it because I have been doing this same routine in most of my videos, so I figured you've seen it. Now I'm going in with Maybelline Brow Studio Brow Tint Pen in Soft Brown, and I'm just doing some light strokes, filling in some of the sparse areas here. And I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in light and just carving out these brows per usual. Go in with soft strokes, and I always start a little bit before my actual brow starts. And here I make a mistake because I'm not perfect. It happens to the best of us, so don't be afraid to go back and just make a quick correction and don't let it set off your good vibes because we all make mistakes. Now I'm just priming my eyes with some concealer and I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. Nothing fancy, just simple, easy, and it'll prime my eye. I'm going in with the Morphe Nature Glow palette and I'm just going to pick this color up right here. It's going to serve as my transition shade and it's just a really pretty like soft muted brown, and I'm using this to create a little bit of definition and put a pretty shadow here in the crease of my eye. Now I'm going in with the 35i Icy Fantasy by Morphe. I really love this color. It's just a gorgeous color. When I first put it on here, it was a little light. You can build on it. So I tried doing that really quick, just building it up a little bit more because some of the concealer here was a little bit wet, but it's a very thin layer of concealer as you could see. So it does give a pretty pastel like that, but I decided to put on some more concealer, blend it out, and a little bit over the blue that was there, and then I decided to reapply it, and as you can see it's way more pigmented and more of what I was envisioning. So these colors are great. When you put it on with your finger it comes out nice and bold, but it is pretty soft, so you do either have to build it or have a nice sheer layer of concealer or eye primer underneath to give you that real power. Now I'm going in with a little bit more concealer and dancing, of course, and I'm just putting this right in the middle, and I'm going to go in with that minty green color with the shimmer. It is so gorgeous. I feel like I'll definitely use this color a lot, maybe use it as a pop on the inner corner of my eye. It's just a really pretty shimmery, oh, I just can't even explain it. It's beautiful. Then I'm going to go in with this brown and just give a little bit more depth in my crease, being careful not to touch the green anywhere. And I'm really just being soft and blending this in lightly. And I'm just going to go in with this brown shadow that I used originally and put a little bit under the eye so it's nice and soft, but it gives a little bit of dimension. And here I'm quickly just adding a little bit of concealer underneath my eye as well, going back in with that shimmery minty green and brightening up my under eye. I'm kind of using it mainly in the middle and then blending out, and I just really love how it brightens up my eye. I forgot to show the Morphe liner. I used Morphe ink liner, and I have a little bit of liner anxiety, as I tell you in every video, so I'm just kind of showing you the bare minimum here. I did mess up and fixed it with some concealer, and you know, sometimes we have to go through these steps to get a beautiful final result. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in 340, and I am putting it everywhere that I want it and letting it sit for a little bit, then going in with the Beauty Blender and patting it in. I am making sure that I am not moving the concealer too much. I am just patting it in where it lies. And I'm going in with my Morphe translucent powder. This one, I'm just going to do a light dusting with a brush. I don't want a full-blown beat. And I'm putting on my foundation. I forgot to show this also. I'm just doing a bad job today. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Foundation in 450. And now I'm going in with the Flower Beauty in Sweet Pea Blush. It's a really soft muted pink, and I am here for it. I'm just dusting a little bit on to give me some color. Now I'm going in with Benefit Hoola Caramel Bronzer, and I'm just doing a really light contour bronzing here to give me a little bit more color. I've been tanning lately and my body is a little bit darker than my face, so I'm just going to warm my skin up with this, but I'm not going crazy. I'm just kind of really lightly throwing some color on, and then I'm going to blend it out, and it's going to just warm me up a little, not be too much structure. Now I'm using a beauty blender with a little bit of the leftover foundation to just clean it up. And I'm going in with Huda Beauty Highlighter Palette, the 3D highlighter palette. I love this palette. It came to me broken in my Ipsy, and actually I wound up fixing it in this video by putting a little bit of alcohol into the palette that is broken and just pressing it down with my fingers. So that trick works for you. Let it dry and you'll have it nice and solid, but that is why my finger has a ton of highlighter on it. So I just decided to use what I had, and it's pretty bold, so I have to blend that out pretty well. Now I'm going in with Essence Lash Princess Mascara and just giving myself a light coat before I put on my false lashes. And sis forgot to contour her nose, so I have to go back in because this is a must-have. Again, I'm just kind of being quick about it today. I'm really not being too precise. Just going in, throwing on that nose contour, and I am going to blend this out. All right, I did my lashes off camera, and I am just putting on a little bit of mascara right at the base there to marry the lashes together. So I'm really trying not to put it on the tip of the lash too much. And I'm just using the backs of my tweezers to kind of give it a little bit of a lift. And I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Angel. And I'm making nice full lips, doing a little bit of lip contour here too by brushing in the middle of my lips just like that. And I'm also going to do a little bit of the Meet Matte Hues liquid lipstick by The Balm, and this is in Doting. This is a mini that I have. I have the full size version of this because I love this color, but I just figured I'd use this one up. to moisturize my lips, I'm going in with Burt's Bees, Vanilla Bean, Lip Balm, and just giving a little bit more moisture to my lips because they were feeling a little dry. And here we have the final look. I really love this look. I feel like it was pretty simple and easy, and it's super flattering with my dark hair. I feel the greenish blue color is absolutely gorgeous. So you can actually let me know below if you think this is mint green or aqua blue. And please like, comment, and subscribe if you love the video. Love you guys. Bye.